I'm at the Optical Illusions center. Now I just have to go inside and see what they have in store for us. So now I'm in the middle part of the Optical Illusion Center. I know the lights are blinking and it's giving me a little bit of headache. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections here. So let's go to each section. I'll show you what each section has. Now in Arabic, so I don't know what it is in English. So guys, this section of the Optical Illusions place is for kids. They have painting and they have some books over there. So I think this section is not much of a use for us. So we will go to the other section. There's nothing much to see here except for kids books and kids play area, just like this. Not play area, study area, painting and all that. So it's part of the Optical Illusions. Now the thing is, it's written in Arabic, so that's why I came to this section. And I don't know what it is, right? So let's. I just came in and I saw kids play area and books and stuff, and I thought it might be not for us. Are you sure? So guys, I'm making my own cupcake now, and I will show you my professional. What do you call this? Cream. Okay, it came well.
You're very nice. Yeah. Wow.
Cupcake, guys, cupcake.
Cupcake.
Special edition. It's a bit expensive. 10 riyals. So yeah, you just saw me making cupcake over there. So this cupcake, guys, is on sale, and it's like 10 riyals. So if you want this cupcake, please write down in the comment below that you need the cupcake, and I will send it to you guys. Right? Definitely it's a joke, but anyways. Over there on that section they have a photo booth sort of place where kids can take photos, and this is where I made the cake. So they have a cake set up for kids. Over there they have the sort of a saloon. So let's go to the other sections instead of wasting time, and let's see what they have in store for us. Now guys, I'm going to a place called Optical Illusion. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 to 6 things that they have it in display. So I'll go through each one of them, and I'll not be playing all because it needs some time as well, and it doesn't interest me much. But just to show you guys, I'll just take you around first, right? And then maybe we'll try 1 or 2 games there. Not games, but we'll try 1 or 2 Optical Illusion stuff, and we'll see how it is, right? Since I came here to have fun. As soon as you enter this place, we have this section. I'm not really interested, but it's full of sponges, right? And then you can just take some photos. So we will skip that because that is the most interesting thing to me. So we'll go and take some pictures and some videos of that place and see how it goes, and how it looks to the video and the pictures, right? So this for me is something new. I have not experienced something like this before, so it'll be really exciting for me to take, right? So this kind of is a room. This side is the base, and then the ceiling, the floor and the ceiling. I've taken some photos. I hope I can show you guys that those photos, right? So that was the room, Optical Illusion, and I tried to do some crazy moves. Just beside that room is this small section.
Take a photo view.
Okay. So but you need to be standing on this, right?
So this is the best view.
Okay.
So both of you go there.
Okay.
One on the left, one on the right.
Okay.
And then one with the
Okay. So guys, this is the Optical Illusion, one of the areas. It will show us in different just for demonstration. Okay, so guys can see. So I'm standing on this corner. So probably this is showing scale. So let us now switch. See what I mean, guys? So this is what it looks like. Most of you have played this game. Okay. Karam. This is called kick Karam, guys, because you have to kick these things. So I'm just going to kick around some random thing. Take a look at this board. It is again part of the Optical Illusion theme. So let's see how I'm not that good in this game in real life while playing with the hand, of course. But let me see if I can do it while kicking. Take 2. Take 3. Okay, I think we'll do this. I think we'll do this some other time. Huh? Okay, let me see. Yes. We would like to play this game, but you know, let's continue. Otherwise, things will get boring. This is a very interesting section of the show, and this is where you can push against this and it will make your body shape. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push myself against this, and on the other side we'll see how it comes, right? So this is how to do this. So I'm going to do this. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if I did this right. It's a bit difficult to push, but maybe on the other side you can see something something different. Okay guys, it has made a shape. It has made this shape, you see. Now coming to this, I don't know if I should play this. As a kid I was never interested in this snake and ladder, but this is a snake and ladder, guys, on a larger scale. So this is what it is, and obviously for the ladder is just for display. It's not for you to, or it's not for us to climb. So right, just thought of saying that. So this is what it is, and if you're thinking whether this is the dice, no, this is not the dice. These are the dice. There are small dice. This is just again display, because when I first came here I thought those were the ones that we need to throw around to play. So the first one was somewhat of a failure. Not a failure, but you know, I wanted to do it the second time just for you guys, right? It is a bit difficult. The things that I have to do. So this is how it has come. This is nice. So this is how it had finally come. Yep. My head is missing because it was a bit difficult for me to sort of push it against this plastic. It is hard. It is not easy to push, for me at least. But yeah, you can enjoy making these kind of formations. This is Candyland. Let's go inside. So nothing fancy here. It's all for kids. They have a couple of huge lollipops, and in the middle they have this huge cake, model of a cake, and yeah, kids can jump and enjoy here, and that's it here. So guys, now we are entering something called the Winterland. So yeah, as soon as you enter they have a Winterland dish set up. Okay, it's again I believe kids will enjoy this area. They have kids tables and you know, stuff like that. So far I saw you can say 95% of kids, or you can say even 98%. Only one or two sections inside the optical illusion area was interesting for us as adults, but the rest were mostly for kids. So guys, just when you come out of the play area, you can say the main event area, you have this coffee shop. So I came to get some coffee. Now I'm out of that section, which is on that side, and here they have made a very good place for coffee, you know, with good vibes and all that. Of course I came here now to get myself a V60. That's a type of coffee. I will show it to you one day in another video what a V60 is, because actually I don't have a V60 device or the V60 setup to make the V60 coffee. Finish order.
Okay, you are finishing the order?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, when I first came here, just before coming here, I watched some other videos on YouTube, and they had the one in Riyadh. So I had kind of high expectation when I came here. But you know, compared to my expectation and the reality, as for adults, well, there's nothing much except for one or two things. You can say it's 85% to 90% kids will enjoy this area. Definitely worth it for kids. You can come and have a good time if you want to have something different. So that I will recommend. But as for adults, if you're really interested to take some pics, some photographs of that room that I just took photos in, then you can come here. Yeah, if you come with a group of friends, because now I came here alone and just to take a video, and that's why I did not enjoy as much as I could have if I visited with some friends. Having said that, it's not a bad area. I wouldn't say it's bad at all. I enjoyed my time here. Of course, I enjoyed making video for you guys, and the people here were very friendly. The people who are here to guide, the boys and the girls here, they are very friendly, and they talk to you openly, and you know, they are there to help you for any questions you have also. So yeah, big hats off for that. And I know one of the ladies even volunteered for me to be in my video, just so I could show you guys the effect of, you know, that room effect where one person is tall, the other person is short or small. So that's amazing. I mean, their cooperation with you is very good. See you in the next video.